Passengers, please make your way to the train so we can leave.
Slow down.
Excuse me.
I'm supposed to sit there. I'm going in his side because I want to look out the window.
If you will please take your seats, we can get on with the ride.
I know he can't rush me. I don't know why they should take me on this boring train anyway. We on the train.
Sorry, baby. We're ready to record this if I can.
Train 576 is now departing.
Excuse me. I'm sorry. You want to record? Right here. Go on that side.
This just in innocent news. There was a tragic train crash, but there were no survivors. We'll be back with an update shortly.
Yeah, ready?
Welcome to the Glory Train. We're going to be making 2 stops. First stop, the first destination. The last stop, the final destination. If you please, quietly wait for your stop.
You all right, Big Mom? I'm all right, but girl, my back sure hurt. Jesus. Oh, I know. Oh, Lord have mercy.
We have made it to the first destination with all first destination riders. Please exit to the left. Thank you. Have a good day.
Wait a minute, I'm ready to get up, because that just hurt my back. I'm about to go. I'm going with everybody else. Go. Yeah, come on, ykeysha. Who is he talking to? Where that come from? I told you. You want to take me on place? Now they even loaded and left me.
The last one is your body.
I don't know who that is, but I don't like it.
Me neither, Big Momma. He sound like it.
Hey, boy, I know you ain't trying to steal on me. Keep your hand off my stuff. I don't play that. You better tell him.
You better stop, boy.
You better tell him.
Trying to take.
We are now departing for the last destination.
Where is that coming from?
Last destination? I don't like this.
Me
You
neither.
have all done sinful deeds. Therefore you shall burn in the dark, deep depths of hell.
I do everything right. Lord knows I'm going to heaven. Who are you? I don't lie, steal, cheat, nothing.
Who is the Dawson?
He ain't talking to me. That must be.
You have committed fornication. Therefore you shall burn in the dark deeps of hell.
Fornication, yeah, you going to hell, girl. That's what you want. That's what I'm talking about. I do somebody over here. You want something to know?
But this is my body, and I can do what I want and when I want.
And that's why your soul is mine. Come take her away.
Take her to hell, y'all. See what I'm talking about? Everybody go.
Cascadell Smith.
What? Okay, hold on.
Wait a minute.
I'm a thief.
You have committed thieves. You are a thief, and you will die for these sins.
You little thief.
Try to steal my purse.
I take my Big Mama purse.
That's right.
You know you going hell.
Going to hell.
Come take her away.
Wait, hold up. I'm a thief, and hold up, boy. Get back.
Get back. Get up.
Do not struggle. There is no futile efforts. Ykeysha Anderson.
What he calling you?
I don't know why he calling me.
You are a Jezebel. You sell your body for money and say you go to work every day. Therefore, you shall burn in the dark deeps of hell.
I ain't going.
What keeps you walking in the door?
Demons, stand back. I take care of this myself.
Well, take her to hell. Take her home. I know
You are coming with me.
I ain't going nowhere with you. Now
Get him.
You know what?
I know I got to get out of here.
Mother Anderson,
Don't call my name.
you are an habitual liar. Therefore, you shall burn. You take her away. Take her. And that's what happens when you ride the final destination train.